Ayan. Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome or welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos. Ayan, dating Angel Francia PH, but now, it's now Bonum Magos. Ano ba ang Bonum Magos? It's good magic. Okay? It's good magic. Okay, good lang tayo. Alright, mga madam and sir, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ayan. Pa-shout out raw po kay Ma'am Erlinda Candasa. Okay, ayan. Thank you, Ma'am, sa panunood. Ayan. Okay, kung sino mang gusto magpa-shout out, ayan, message na kayo, comment na kayo. Ayan, mga madam and sir, I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. Okay? May good news ako kasi meron na tayong feedback. May feedbacks na tayo sa ating 2-in-1 financial blockages removal and money spell jar. Mga madam, okay, halos I think 1 month kong inantay yung feedback. So 1 month siya nagkabisa. Okay? Nakabili si ma'am first batch. First batch siya nakabili. Actually, yung first batch hindi pa sold out eh. Okay? So marami tayo na doon tayo mauubusan. Okay? Hanggang next year, hanggang kaya kong gagawin ko ito. Okay, this is 850, 2-in-1 na siya, financial blockages removal, and then of course money spell jar siya. Okay, may feedback tayo. So gustong makita yung feedback neto, okay, hanapin ninyo sa Bonum Magos Facebook page. Ang ganda ng feedback mga madam. Okay? Talagang mga madam, okay? Hindi ako gumagawa ng feedback. Talagang inantay ko. Okay? So, at least mga 1 month mahigit din bago nagka-epekto sa kanya yung jar na to. Okay? So, mga nakabili, antay-antay lang. Just be patient. Kailangan kasi inaalis pa yung mga blockages sa inyo bago magka-effect. Okay? Kaya, importante nito kasi ito kasi money spell jar, kailangan tanggalin tinatanggal muna niya yung mga blockages sa buhay mo para maka-attract, pumapasok ng tuloy-tuloy smooth yung traction. Mga madam and sir, tignan nyo, basahin nyo yung feedback doon. Andun sa album ko, sa Facebook page, Bonum Magos. Ang daming na-amaze. Okay, ayan. So, happy ako. Sobrang happy ako. Alright, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo this September? September 2023. Okay, sa love life, kaperahan, okay, lahat na. Career, money. Spirit guides and angels, ano ang... By the way, abangan nyo mamaya kasi bago ako magtatapos, okay, mamimigay ako ng evil eye bracelet. Hindi pa, ibahin ko na yung code, okay? Ibahin ko na ang code kasi madaming nakakalata para peras yung code. Ibahin ko yung code. Okay, I wanna make sure na talagang nakikinig kayo. Okay? Mamaya, bago mag-ending, mamimigay ko ng isang bracelet. Ibahin ko yung code. Okay? Hindi na yung dati. Alright, mamaya. Makinig muna kayo sa reading ko. Okay? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, kapalaran. Mga madam, kung may gusto kayo sa mga items ko, okay, pa-comment na lang. Lahat yan binibenta ko. Okay? Parang hindi nakikita lahat ng items. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Spirit guides and angels, ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Capricorn sa buwan ng September 2023? Paalala lang, Capricorn, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat po ng mga nanunood. Okay? First week of September, Capricorn, you have the 8 of Pentacles. You have the 8 of Cups. Ooh, you have the 7 of Cups. Second week of September, you have the Ace of Cups. You have the 6 of Pentacles. And you have the Devil. Third week of September, you have the Knight of Wands. You have the Ace of Wands. And you have the 9 of Wands. for once. Last week of September, Capricorn, you have the Six of Cups. You have the Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, you have the Queen of Wands. Overall energy for the month of September for our Capricorn, the Magician. You are manifesting something in your life. You are attracting a lot of opportunities this month, Capricorn. If I were you, I'd claim this, okay? The world is your oyster, okay? You have the power to change your life this month. Grab this opportunity to change your life, okay? You have the power, kung ano mang gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, may chance kang magagawa mo this month with the Magician. So grab this opportunity, okay? Have a very positive mindset, okay, that you can do. Have confidence in yourself. I feel like a lot of Capricorn this month, lalo na by the end of September, a lot of you Capricorn, you have this energy na parang lahat kaya mong magawa. You have this energy of being courageous, determined, confident, okay? That you can achieve anything in your life. I love your energy with this, okay? Alright. First week of September. There's something about in your workplace na hindi ka na masaya. So you're looking for some other opportunities. And I feel like for some of you Capricorn, first week of September, makakahanap ka ng ibang option regarding sa work, kaperahan, business. Okay, a lot of you are tired of working day and night. Pagod na kayo sa maybe you are done or tired with yung trabaho na parang gusto mo nang umalis at naghahanap ka ng ibang opportunity. And I see you considering some option in your career, in your business, in your pagdating sa kaperahan, in your work area, in your work related career, something like that. May option na darating around September where mag-iisip ka na, sige, i-try ko to. Sa bagay, pagod na ako dito sa company na to, or sa work na to, sa trabaho na to. Okay? Day and night ako nagtatrabaho, parang hindi naman worth it. Parang gano'n ang nakikita ko. So I see you, some of you are leaving an old job and finally achieving your wildest dreams. You have this fantasy, you have this, alam mo, nasa parang feeling mo nasa cloud 9 ka, ang dami mong, parang nagkaroon ka na rin ng pag-asa, nagkaroon ka ng confidence. That's why with the Magician here. Magician is your overall energy or energy theme, okay? Your main energy of the month, your theme energy of the month, okay? Your overall theme of the month, Magician. Okay, now second week of September, regarding naman sa love life, or maybe for some of you this has nothing to do with love life, but I feel like for some of you, if you are single, if you're looking for someone na, you know, in romantic area, okay, I feel like some of you Capricorn, especially if you are single, makakatagpo kayo ng bagong pag-ibig, or you'll be in a new relationship. Mag-ingat lang kasi mukhang magiging head over heels ka dito or siya. Kasi hindi maganda ang devil paired with the Six of Pentacles. Parang mukhang sa bagong pag-ibig na to, bigay ka ng bigay. Na-obsess ka. There's something about the devil here that is not so good. Parang masyado siyang toxic. Okay, so ingat kasi sometimes obsession would lead to some disaster. Alam mo yung masyado tayo na-obsess sa isang tao, hindi na maganda. Napupuyat tayo, lagi tayong nakakaisip, iniisip lagi siya, hindi na tayo nagpo-focus sa ating sarili. Nawawala na tayo sa ating sariling kaisipan, kumbaga. Minsan hindi na natin alam na mali na palang ginagawa natin, or yun nga, ang makakita nito or ang makaka-observe nito ang mga tao. Wala nang nangyayari sa kanya. Baliw na baliw siya sa girlfriend niya, no? Baliw na baliw siya sa boyfriend niya. Lahat bibigay niya, parang ganon. Six of Pentacles kasi yung sobra kang generous sa tao. Ayan o. Umaapaw ang pagmamahal mo or sa'yo. Take it how it resonates kasi posible din Capricorn na sa'yo mangyari to. May taong obsessed sa'yo. Okay? Ayan. Kaway-kaway sa mga may sugar daddies, may mga afam. Okay? Ayan. Posible din na maganda din naman yun, no? Practical tayo sa buhay. Bibigyan tayo ng allowance. Ayan. Sa sobrang pagmamahal, the way minsan magmahal ang mga afam is through materials, no? Hindi naman lahat, but mostly very generous talaga sila. House a lot, kotse, allowance, lahat ibibigay ng afam. Kaya lang, mag-ingat kasi with the devil card, this is not good. Parang maybe may kapalit. Oh, mostly may kapalit. Di natin, gusto niyang mag-send ka ng mga pictures na chug-chug-chug. Alam mo yung pang chug-chug-chug? Ano pa naman ngayon? Taglamig. Winter. Autumn, winter, and then malapit ng holiday season. Okay. Ayan, may kapalit siguro yung pagmamahal. Hindi natin alam. So, ingat lang dito sa second week of September. Okay? Ayan. But if gusto niyo naman, go. Okay? I don't judge you. Alright. You have the Knight of Wands. You have the Ace of Wands and the Nine of Wands. Ooh, a lot of Wands. Third week of September, Capricorn. You know what? I see you very, Bisaya man ako, te, ay. Okay, Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. This is you, parang, nag-aapoy. It's either nag-aapoy ka sa galit. So, mag-ingat ha, third week of September. Again, this is a general reading, so take only what resonates in your situation. Kung hindi naman magra-resonate sa inyo, baka sa iba. Okay? So, but with the Ace of Wands and the Knight of Wands paired with the Nine of Wands, ooh, my God, lot of Wands. This is fire energy. It's either magiging irritable ka, you're full of fire here around September. Mag-ingat kasi the Knight of Wands, siya yung taong nagpapadala sa damdamin. Hindi niya na nakokontrol yung Kung makikita nyo dito makita nyo sa card. Turuan ko kayong paano magbasa. Okay? Actually, napaka-basic na to. Kung makikita nyo, akala nyo yung tao ang nagkokontrol sa kabayo. Pero actually, yung kabayo, wild na siya. Okay? Yung kabayo na to, yung horse na to, siya na yung parang wild horse na hindi na out of control, na hindi na makontrol ng rider. Actually, yan ang totoong explanation yan. So that means na be careful of your emotions around September. Huwag magpadalos-dalos sa desisyon, sa usog ng damdamin, sa emotion. Huwag magpadala sa emotion, okay? Baka magalit kayo or meron kayong gagawin na dahil lang sa gusto mo lang. So, mag-ingat because Nine of Wands, this is being cautious, being careful. So, I really do feel, ang binubulong sa akin ngayon ng Spirit Guides Capricorn, mag-ingat around September regarding an idea that you want to start. Maybe you are rushing too early regarding a decision that you want to start. You can't wait. Okay, I'm hearing the word na hindi kayo makapag-antay gawin or simulan ang isang bagay related to career, business. Maybe it's not the right time. Okay? So, mag-ingat. Masyado kang overconfidence with the Magician here around third. Yeah, you have confidence, but sometimes, if overconfident naman, mag-ingat tayo. Okay? This is gabay. That's the gabay. That's the advice. Okay? But regarding, yeah, no doubt that you're inspired to start something. You're inspired to do something. You have fire within you that you can do it. But be careful. Ingat. Kasi baka, we don't know kung saan ka tatahakin, saan ka dadalhin ng horse na to. Okay? Kailangan ikaw ang mag-control sa emotion mo sa horse na yan. Okay? Metaphorically, okay? Do you understand the word metaphorically? May meaning, parang ganun. Now, last week of September, regarding naman sa love life ninyo, some of you magiging maswerte around last week. A lot of you Capricorn, you will feel very lucky in all areas on your life. Last week of September, mafe-feel nyo na magiging swerte kayo. So maybe grab this opportunity. Magtaya kayo ng loto, maybe isa kayo sa mananalo dyan with the Wheel of Fortune. But this cards is screaming that someone is returning. May magbabalik. Oh, may magbabalik. May magbabalik sa inyong sa past. Could be an ex-lover, could be a boyfriend, it could be an ex-wife or ex-husband. Okay? But I see you, iba na magiging pananaw niya sa'yo. If ever naman magkabalikan kayo, magkakaroon na ng madaming changes. It's either mawalan ka na ng gana sa kanya, or may papakita mo talaga na okay na ako. Nung iniwan mo ako, ganito ako. But now, I am powerful. I'm confident. You are focusing on yourself. Whether babalik tong tao na to sa'yo o hindi, I see you focusing on your goals, dreams. I see you focusing on kung ano man gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Because Queen of Wands is Queen of confidence, Queen of fire, Queen of, courage. Entrepreneur. I see you focusing on your business, career, something, goals, achievements, something like that. And this is good. Okay, this is good. Ayan. So, yeah, see? You are very confident. And I feel like a lot of madaming babalik kasi na-feel nila yung pagbabago mo, Capricorn. Humahanga sila sa yung taglay na kakayahan, na kakaiba. Matapang, matalino. Alam mo yung confidence is very attractive. Well, diba? No wonder. Okay? So, ayan Capricorn, that's all I have for you for today's reading. That's for your monthly reading for the month of September. Yan po ang maging kapalaran ninyo. I hope nagustuhan ninyo. Ayan, sige. Pa-code na tayo. Alam ko yan ang inaantay ng iba eh. Wait lang. Okay, ang code neto. Wait lang Ayan Pamain ako neto ng anong i-code natin? Lutos! Pamain ako lutos. Mine lutos. Ayan Mine lutos. Ang ganda ng evil eye na to, bracelet. Kung gusto nyong bilhin to, this is 700 pesos. Ang ganda neto. Like blue. Nakakaputi. Okay? Mine Lutus. Sa una mag-comment siya ang mananalo. Okay, Lutus. Ayan Lutus. Like this. Diba? Ang ganda. Shout out pala kay Ma'am Yoximoji. Thank you, Ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Business naman tayo. Evil Eye necklace. This is 950. Ang ganda nito. Gold-plated yan mga madam sa may gusto, bili na kayo, 950. May kasamang ritual yan. Okay? Lahat ng items ko. Crystal bracelet. Ubus na ang ating strawberry quartz. Ubus na po. Okay, available is nag-iisa na lang ang ating pink opal. Meron pa tayong 3 blue apatite crystal. Gold-plated yan mga madam. Okay, ayan siya Maganda yan. Okay? Ang ganda na to. Hindi kayo magsisi. Galing US to mga madam. Tingnan na lang yung sa akin. Ayan Okay? Ayan po siya. Ayan. Ay! Sorry. Ayan siya. Okay. Ang ganda nito. hihilain nyo lang siya, ganyan, very smooth. And then, pag gusto yung paluwagan, ganyan. Okay? Crystal. I think this is, nakalimutan ko yung name ng crystal na to. Okay? You have purple rhodonite. Dalawa na lang. This is really nice. Okay? Pang, to sa mga madam. Okay? Madam mo, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng purple rhodonite. This is 950. Okay? 950 po yan. Gold-plated po yan. Okay? Non-tarnish. Okay? You have amethyst, you have aquamarine, ang ganda ng aquamarine. You have milky quartz. Anong kaibahan sa clear at milky? Ang milky, syempre, hindi clear. Duh, diba? Milky kasi, siya, para siyang white, basta milky. And then you have lapis lazuli, dalawa na lang. Ang ganda din ng lapis lazuli. You have fire agate, sa akin to, okay? Reserve na yan. And you have sunstone. Ang ganda po ng sunstone. I-search nyo na lang kung ano mga benefits na yan. Okay? Tapos, may ritual tong kasama. Okay? Parang all-in-one bracelet ang prayer neto. Okay? Ayan. Mga madam, itong suot ko. Okay? Ito, this is 800. All-in-one powerful red bracelet. Kasi napakatibay talaga nito, makapal. And then ito, Hamsa with evil eye. This is 700 pesos, mga madam. May kasamang ritual and prayer. Okay? Ang ganda nito, promise. Nakakaputi. Ang ganda in person, actually. Ano pa? Uy, available pa ang ating panangga sa kulam sa may gusto. This is 1,000. Okay? Protection sa mangkukulam, kulam, ayan. Kung kinulam ka, takot kang makulam, ayan, baka makulam ka, hindi mo alam, kinulam ka. This 1,000. Ang daming magagandang feedback nito, madam and sir, sa Facebook page. Okay? Of course, ang ating best seller, all-in-one powerful red bracelet. Ang dami. Tutuwa ako sa mga feedbacks nito. Okay? Mapapanood ninyo dito sa, naka-upload ako nito. Okay? And of course, available pa rin ang ating ancestral healing necklace. Kung may sumpa sa inyong pamilya, ayan, this is for you. Dapat niyong bilhin yan. 1,900. So, ayan mga madam and sir. Yan po. Yan lang po sa ngayon. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa ating winner. Mamaya re-replyin ko kayo. Okay? So, ayan. I'll see you again next time po. Maraming salamat. Ingat. God bless and more power. Paalam!